All right, recently I've had 2 more people message me and 3 people make comments on some of the old videos that I did with the EVO GP PRO gimbal with the Hero 5. So I'm shooting in 4K right now, 30 frames a second with the Hero 5 with the EVO GP PRO gimbal, and I'll let you listen. There's no motor noise. We'll do a little pan around, do a tilt down, tilt up. So as you can see, 0 motor noise. So this is an effective setup for the Hero 5 when, you know, the Karma, it's got motor noise. The Hero 5 with the Tech, it's got motor noise. So the only thing that's viable that I have found so far is using the EVO GP PRO. But you have to put the GoPro on, you have to turn the audio enhancement portion on, and then you have to go to wind. Once you have that set on wind, there's no motor noise. Now the audio is not going to be high fidelity where you can go, wow, it sounds like fantastic audio like what the Sony FDR X3000 sounds like, but you know, it's really still usable now. Otherwise you have all that horrible motor noise, and it's a good little vlogging setup. We're going to take our daughter and let her go around the neighborhood on her scooter. Let's follow along. There you go. When you see a car, you pull right to the side and stop. When a car comes, you gotta stop.
You wanna go see the eggs?
I'm gonna go see some big Easter eggs. Hi, Mommy. Why not? She's a fugitive. FBI's most wanted list. You have no privacy expectation when you're out in public. So I can film your face.